What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to beat Digital Disarray. So I'm gonna give you tips and tricks just like with Mystic. Alright, here we go. So we're starting off with the first cube. What you have to do in the first cube, you can just hold the button here if you want. And then you can just hold the button here. This cube part is kind of tricky. Hit this one a little bit late. You need to make sure here, I'll go back in a minute. You need to make sure to hit the yellow orb late, and also this blue orb a little bit late, just like that. This pink orb you need to click at the top of it, and then 1, 2, just like that. 1, 2, like 1, 2. This spider right here. It's basically not that difficult part. It's like 2 easy clicks. There's a low chance that you'll die here. You're most likely die to the cube rather than the spider. Then you have to hit this blue orb too early. You need to hit this blue orb too early. Hit the green orb a little bit late and hit this pink orb late as well. This part right here is not that hard. You just need to make sure to hit these green orbs late, just like that. For this robot, I'll show you again. 1, late, just like that. Just hit them both of these late, and then just jump right there. This robot part is simply just timings. There's nothing else. Simply just easier timings. There's nothing I can explain it to you there. Just like with this wave, it's just straightforward. And also need to make sure to hold. I'll show you right now. You need to make sure to hold into this ball part right here. Hit the yellow orb because there is a dash orb here, and you also need to hit the yellow orb as soon as possible. Then you have this part right here, which, to be fair, is not that hard. Like this strip straight, like here is just straightforward part. And these ball timings are just nothing in the ordinary that hard, except you need to make sure with the blue orb to hit late. You need to hit this blue orb late. I'll show you how. Just hit it late. You can hit the green orb in the middle, then just hit the blue orb. You need to hit it late to avoid the spike, and then just click again. For this UFO, I recommend you 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. That's how I do the UFO. So it's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then straight yourself out. Once you do this pattern here, if you don't understand, I'll show you again. I'll show you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Fuck. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. That's how you do this UFO pattern. That's how you do the UFO pattern. This cube right here is one of the harder parts of the level. You need to hit this blue orb late. Click here late. It's just all about late timings. Except for this blue orb, you can just hit it whenever you want. You can hit this blue orb whenever you want to. But all of these timings are mostly late timings. Just try to click as late as possible. Try to click just late. Just like that. Try to hit these doing the late timings because they all require late timings, except for that blue orb that is showed already. Then you have this robot part, which is just normal simple jumps. Straightforward wave spam, and then this cube part is an interesting one. Hit the green orb a little bit early. Hit the green orb a little bit early there. Then you just need to make sure to just jump. Hit the pink orb as soon as you land. Hit the blue orb as soon as you approach it. Just like that. Just like that. And then right here, just jump. Just jump a little bit late in there and hit this pink orb late. Hit the pink orb late, and then you have this robot jump. These straightforward jumps. That's it. Now it's time for the drop. You need to make sure to jump here where the arrow is showing you because there are spikes. In this part right here, this part is really tricky to understand. But what you need to do here is that you see this straight fly right here. I'll show you again. You need to click here once because you need to adjust yourself for the portal, and also because if you don't, you'll just die. This is not an auto part. Then you need to make sure to hit the black orbs late. You need to make sure to hit these black orbs in the middle, like literally in the to the middle and to the late. Like if you don't understand, here we go. In the middle and then late. In the middle and then hit another black orb late. Then you need to hit the green orb a little bit late as well, because otherwise you'll die to the spike. This wave part just comes off with the practice. Like it can throw you off guard because you don't have that much room in this part right here. Like you don't have that much room, and it's pretty much annoying. This ship part is straight up easy. You need to like hold on. You need to make sure to just adjust yourself into the straight fly. You need to align yourself for this straight fly right here. Transition yourself like actually godlike transition to make. Just like that. Then you need to hit this orb a little bit early. You can hit it a little bit early, you can hit it in the middle. Like both of the waves work. Like, but you need to make sure you can't hit it late. If you hit it late, you die to this spike. So you need to hit like somewhere in the middle. Then you have this part right here. These are just like jump there late, because if you don't, you're still like slow speed. I'll show you what happens. If you jump early, if you jump here early, you hit this spike. You'll hit the spikes and you'll just die. You'll be pissed off a lot. What I do here is just basically wait until I get into the speed change portal, to do the speed change, and also to this normal cube size portal. Just like that, 1, 2. Jump over these spikes, do a small jump here, then do another spike jump here. Now for this wave part, I can't really give any tips and tricks for this, because even I don't know how this works. Because it will get consistent a little bit. It will get consistent. It just takes a lot of practice and effort in order for it to be consistent. Just like with Mystic's wave part in the Eyeblade's part in Mystic. It's a hard wave part, but it eventually gets consistent. Now this part right here, what I need to do here, this will throw you off guard so easily. It's so fast and you need to do some fast inputs in here. And this will throw you off guard, like it will literally. What I like to do here is as soon as I approach this blue orb, I just hit. You need to do like 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3. And then just hit the green orb late. 1, 2, 3. One click to click this blue orb right here. Second click is to hit to jump somewhere like here. And the third click is to hit the blue orb, and you can just hold. And then you need to make sure to hit this green orb. You need to hit it late. Hit this green orb late. Hit the blue orb and hold for a little bit in the blue orb. Do a wave spam. And also, you need to make sure into this portal to transition pretty well. You cannot spam close to this portal. You need to make sure your wave is somewhere like right there, so it can land perfectly into this platform right here. And then you just hit the black orb somewhere in the middle. Hit the black orb like somewhere right there. You can hit it if you want. Somewhere like right there. And then you just hit the green orb also a little bit early. Hit this also somewhere in the middle as well. Like, I recommend you hitting like where this line is. When the cube approaches this part right here, you just want to make sure you want to click. The normal wave spam approaches, then you just have to jump right there. You need to wait also a little bit to jump over these spikes. Hit the yellow orb late, and then you're getting to the like easier part of the level. Like, it's a little bit easier part compared to the first 40%. For this part right here, what you have to do is to like hold. You need to make sure you hold like right there. You start to hold right there, and you hold all the way until you reach the wave portal. Like, there's not that much I can explain. Just wait here, hold the button, do this easy wave, which I died to a few times because I'm a stupid, retarded person. I died to this wave a few times because I'm a retarded, stupid person. Not really. People make mistakes, obviously. And then you have this ship part right here, which is a little bit trippy. You need to make sure, like, go above, then below, then above. Just like that. Then with this wave part, this is just normal spam. And then right here, you need to make sure to hold because you can't spam here. Because this object right here is just quite extended. Look at how retarded it is placed. Look at the retarded object there. Just a freaking moron not knowing how to make a proper gameplay. And yes, I will talk about my opinion on this level at the end. Because I beat the level. Just like I'll talk about my opinion on Mystic by end level. This part right here is like, it's a straightforward part. You need to make sure to click to hit like the orb like right here in the middle, then jump right here, hit the green orb a little bit also in the middle. Then you need to make sure to hold the button right there, straight yourself out, simple wave part. For this wave part I can't give any fucking tips and tricks. The only thing I can give is that you should practice it, and that's all about it. This robot right here is not that hard. Hit the blue orb late, hit another blue orb in the middle, then hold the dash orb like until you're somewhere in here. When you now paused where the M is in the music. Or do just simply like hold like above this structure right here. Then like once you did this, you need to hit the yellow orb, then hit the green orb a little bit late. And then you just hit the yellow orb, then hit the green orb, then you need to make sure to hit the green orb a little bit early. Just hold the green orb if you want. It works. Because if you hit it late, you'll hit the spikes. And the transition will be really annoying. But in order to avoid, you just need to hit the green orb like early as possible. Hit the blue orb like somewhere in this region right here. And then just time this part right here. For this part, what people can do is they usually like buffer and hit the green orb late. There are a ton of different ways how this works. You can like buffer this click and then click this one late. Or you can hit late and hit early. Like whatever you like, whatever suits you, whatever it's like easier for you, you do it your own way. That's how Geometry Dash works. Whatever suits you, the way of doing the certain parts of the level, because in some parts you can do it multiple ways. This part is also one of those. You can like buffer this and hit late. And then you just like hit the black orb, just simple timings right here. Like there's not really that special. And then this ship right here is what you need to do is you need to be prepared literally for the transition. You need to transition yourself out, then you straight yourself out. You straight yourself out. You need to make sure to like control the ship perfectly. And then you have this part right here, which is not really that difficult. Hold, click, click, hold. Just basically, you can just hold the button right there. You can just hold the button. So just like that. Hold on. Hold. Fuck. Hold, and then just like straight yourself out. Then you have this part right here, which is everything in here is easy except for this orange orb click, which is the hardest part of this section right here. 1, 2, 3. This orange orb you can click with the rhythm of the music if you want. You can do it like click it with the rhythm of the music, which specifically means that you'll most likely click in this region right here, in this slice. You see like this part of the orb, you just like click it and then just hit the green orb like a little bit early. This UFO is pretty easy, straightforward. 1, 1, 2. So it just works like this. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. I'll show it like slowly. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's try again. Just basically 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then wait here and then click once. This ball part is pretty easy, just simple timings. You'll like learn it eventually. If you really want to know how this part works, then okay, fine. You need to make sure to hit the blue orb like somewhere here. Hit the yellow orb, this one late. This duel right here seems kinda scary, but it's not really that much of a problem. You need to make sure you focus, right here you focus on the upper cube. Jump. Before this one lands right here, you need to make sure to jump with this upper cube. And then when this one is mid-air, you need to jump with this cube, just like that. Not understanding? Okay, let's try. You don't understand? Okay, let's try again. So while mid-air, while this cube, for example, is mid-air, you jump with this one. You need to time this jump and jump to this platform right here with the upper cube. When this cube is mid-air, when this upper cube is mid-air, you jump with this lower one. Just like that. And then, with this one, what you do, you don't have to hit the black orb, by the way. You can just jump with both of them whenever you want. Like, jump somewhere in this region right here with this lower cube. And then also you need to make sure to jump with the upper cube while this one is midair. Let me show you. You need to make sure to jump with this cube while this one is midair. So when this one is up here, you jump, both of them will jump. This one will jump over this saw blade and this one will jump like just doing nothing, minding its own business. And then while this one is mid-air, you need to jump with this one. Then you have this wave spam, which is just practice as well. Then you have 1, 2, 1. Hit these blue orbs, like literally you can hit it whenever you want. You can't hit them late. You don't hit these two orbs late. You hit them immediately. Just hit them immediately. Then you jump with this one. Hit this yellow orb late. Dash orb. Hold on. Just hold the dash orb until you're above this spike. Then just do this 2 small inputs. Hit this green orb late. And now it comes like the most nerve-wracking part of the level. This ship right here is all about literally controlling the nerves. What you need to do in this ship part is you need to go through this like section right here. It's gonna be, I'll show you the pattern like right here. Up, down, middle. You need to go down with this way because if you're up, you'll hit the cogwheels. I'll show you, I'm showing you right now how this, the pattern of this wave part. Then you have this mini wave right here. You need to go like, just follow, you just need to follow my wave. Just follow my wave for this part. Just follow my wave, but you need to go like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's about it. Then you need to make sure to avoid these 2 things because these are actually hitboxes. So be careful. Spam right here, do it however you want. Then you have this part right here, which I recommend you doing is straight yourself out. Now we're getting to the Q part. Hit the blue orb blade, hit this blue orb blade, hit this blue orb immediately, jump right there. You need to jump also right here because if you jump right there or if you jump here late, just literally as soon as you land, you just have to jump. But if you jump like right here, you hit the spike. You you just hit the spike. That will happen. Then just hold right there, hit the blurs whenever you want, then hit the blur just like that, and well, at the end, that's it. That's about Digital Disarray. This level like took me 4,000 attempts, and I have somewhere copyable of this level as well. Yes, I did this level before down shit. Yes, I have like before this like tutorial I had 3,885 attempts without these copyables. But if you include like these copyables right here, yes, I do have much more attempts in here than it says right there because I play this copyable for fun. So what is this copyable about? It's about the entirety of this section right here. It's about this section. You get the point. You get the point. You get the point of about this part right here. You get the point. And this one was about practicing this part of Digital Disarray. Yeah, I just literally get the point. So Digital Disarray is the level that I don't really like because I was unlucky in this level due to the fact that I died at the 75 to 100 like a few times. I died like there a few times, and that's why it took me a little while to beat it. So I'm 90th victor of this level, which is freaking funny for some reason. Because I don't know why nobody plays this level, as people praise this level to be actually decent. That's what people think about this level. This level, on the other hand, sucks. And this is the level I'm going to be working on right now, which is gonna be Cat Planet by Ice Cave. Currently I have 50 attempts and like 675 attempts. Plus I have like 200 attempts in this, which is 880 attempts. Now, to talk about my opinion on the level Mystic, which is right here, I had like 2,000 and something attempts. But I wanted to repeat this level, and the force that I've got was 78%. And I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna play it. There it is. Yes, I had like a few old attempts, because I wanted to do it for, funny points. And this is exactly how much it took me before I decided to, repeat the level. It took me 2,423 attempts, which is quite funny. Because I fluked it from 63. And then this is Twisted Tranquility, which took me literally one more attempt than Mystic. And Twisted Tranquility also fluked from 60-something%. About Mystic though, I found Mystic to be really fun. A really funny level to do as my 10th extreme. It's sad that they didn't record Extreme Demons at that time, but to be honest, I don't have any plans of repeating any of these Extreme Demons, specifically this level, which is down shit. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and speaking about Dance to the Violence, I'll probably be playing other Extreme Demons to improve at the certain game modes, such as the Wave and Ship, and then I'll try again to go for Dance to the Violence, which I have 27% and 48 to 100. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.